Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sam. In today's new video, I have a little unboxing shoe haul. But before we get into it, if you want to, you can check me out on Instagram. It's at Halloween Happy. All my social media links are listed down below. Give you a heads up, this video is not sponsored, but I was gifted these shoes. Kindly gifted these shoes. I will say I am an actual customer of this brand. Purchased from them before, so we're gonna get into it, and I think you guys are really gonna like these shoes. So if you guys do not know of T.U.K, you are missing out on the coolest shoes. They're based in California. Their shoes are based on designs that were born in England. They're for like the goths, band people, they're for musicians, they're for the alt kids, and they're also for the spooky people like us. These are the pairs that I've actually purchased with my own money. They are so comfortable. They're like clouds to my feet. That's what it feels like walking in these shoes. So when they reached out to me, I was so excited because I love them. I'll try to list them if I can find them. I got these I think maybe like 2 or 3 years ago. They're just so beautiful. It's like the perfect fall shoe. You got a good platform and they're so lightweight. Just looking at these, you would assume that they're super clunky and heavy, but they're not. It's like, I feel like a kitten probably weighs more in your hand than these shoes. They're so comfy. This is the other pair that I have from them. Dirt from the comment on them, I think from last Halloween. I will try my best to look for these and link them as well. That reminds me, I actually have an affiliate code with Die With Your Boots On. They carry some of the shoes from T.U.K. So I'll link that down below. All the details will be listed. Got these from Die With Your Boots On from T.U.K. Stay with me. I hope this is not confusing. They feel so good. They're so comfortable, so cute. And these are even more lightweight. So they were kind enough to reach out. I didn't have to make this video or anything like that. They were just sending some spooky things my way. So thank you so much, T.U.K. They were like, pick out some shoes that you might like. And I picked out a few to give options in case they didn't have a style in my particular size. And they were so kind to send all 3 of the picks that I picked. I can't believe it. I normally wear like a 7 or 8. It just depends on what kind of shoe. All of the ones that I get from T.U.K. I get in a size 8 women, so known as a size 6 in men's. They also included some cute comfy socks, which I haven't tried their socks yet, so I'm really excited. I love Halloween socks. I love spooky socks. I feel like it's the perfect touch to add to an outfit to step up your shoe game. Super bright orange, which I love. It looks like it's a knit mid legging. Oh, these are just leggings. Perfect. I wasn't sure if it was like a long sock, you know what I mean? These are perfect because sometimes I want to wear high socks, but the sock portion on the foot is a little too much. I really just want to make like little cuffs that I can add to my ankle. Just saying, you can even add these and wear them like under a sweatshirt or something to layer. Definitely be wearing these. I have another pair of socks. They might be like a little bit taller than an ankle. They're like crew socks, I believe. Skull and crossbone printed on there, as you can see. Okay, so let's get to the first pair of shoes. I'm so ready for all the fall things. I'm ready for all the Halloween things. I want to kind of reorganize my fall spooky outfits just so I have in my mind what I want to wear, kind of like plan ahead. Usually I will say, oh, I want to wear something cute or I want to do like a spooky themed outfit. But then by the time I get ready, I just don't have the brain energy to put an outfit together. So I think I'm gonna try to spend some time putting some outfits together so I'm good to go. I can just grab it off the hanger, have like everything ready, like accessories, a shirt, a pant, whatever it's gonna be, the shoes, you know? You guys are gonna love these. Are you kidding me? I mean, look at how clean and fresh this shoe looks. I'm obsessed. Super lightweight. You have a good platform. It's not going to weigh you down. It's going to be super comfortable. That's what it looks like from up top. I think these are adorable. I really like this little embellishment right here, the spider embellishment. So you get a web on the side, actually both sides, and then up top. Just a good shoe to have, you know? Are you joking? Look at how cute these are. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to wear these. And the best thing about these shoes from T.U.K is I feel like you can dress them up and you can also dress them down. You can wear like a super busy outfit if you want, or if you just want to keep it simple and let the shoes do the talking, or shall I say do the walking. You can do that. Perfect shoe for October, right? I just love the platform on them. I like being taller. I like wearing tall shoes, but I also don't want to break my ankle, and you don't have to worry about that in these shoes. They have a black lace that is actually interwoven into the top of these shoes, so that's what kind of gives it that checkered look. Love these. Let's see what the third pair is. And these feel a little bit heavier, so I think these are a different style of shoe. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm speechless. I have no words. Look at how gorgeous this shoe is. Look at that big platform. I love a chunky sole like this. Love the black and white. These are the Brogue. I want to say that's how you pronounce that. Mary Janes. They are so fabulous. Oh my gosh. These would be so cute with a dress, a skirt with some little ruffly socks. So cute with jeans, like a cropped pant I think would be really cute. Heads up, these are a lot heavier than the past pairs that I've showed you. I didn't even tell you how much they weigh, but yeah, there's like a huge difference. If I could guesstimate a weight, what would I guesstimate? I don't know. Maybe like 3 pounds. Sometimes 3 pounds doesn't seem like a lot, but then when you hold a 3-pound weight, you're like, this is a lot more than I thought. So don't quote me on that, but these are a lot heavier, so you're gonna get a good like leg workout. You're gonna work the calves. They're so adorable. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Thank you so much, T.U.K. I'm just adding to my Halloween shoe collection. I actually thought about doing a Halloween shoe collection. I don't know if you guys would be interested in that, but I have quite a lot of pairs and I just don't wear them enough because I never leave my apartment, you know? Maybe I just need to leave the apartment once in a while. Thanks again so much to T.U.K. Be sure you guys check them out. Their shoes are just so amazing. They feel so good. They look so good. They're so unique, so different. Just, I feel like every ghoul needs a pair of T.U.K shoes. I'll do my best to link all of the shoes that I shared in this video down below. You guys can check them out if you want. Be sure you guys sign up because I believe once you go to their website, I think they have a thing where you can sign up for like a 15% off coupon code. I'm really grateful for these shoes and I cannot wait to wear them. Halloween is gonna be here soon. Are you freaking out? I am. I already feel like it's next week. Okay, not next week, but maybe like in 3 weeks, which is practically like 2 weeks, which is might as well be tomorrow. I don't even know what I'm wearing for Halloween. I don't know what I'm dressing up as this month for October. I have no idea. Shout out again to T.U.K for spoiling me for the spooky season. If you guys want to see more fashion videos or shoe videos, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know, what are you dressing up as? Give me some ideas. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications. That way you are notified when there is a new video. I love you guys. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you next time. Bye.